Welcome to HOS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating blood bank management system by using Raspberry Pi. So we are using Raspberry Pi 3 model with 16 GB of memory card. So it was interfaced with the GSM modem, the SIM 800 and 16:2 LCD to see the status and monitoring the messages on the LCD. So this Raspberry Pi consists of total database of 8 blood groups. So that is A to AB negative, A positive to AB negative, like totally 8 blood groups will be stored in this memory card. So you can change it manually by connecting this HDMI screen as well as USB keyboard and mouse. So here I am using a USB keyboard and mouse. So you can use two USBs, like one USB for keyboard and one USB for mouse, and connect these two and HDMI cable. These two are very important only to change the database or to access the database. Otherwise you could directly execute the project. So like this, whenever the user need respective blood content, blood donors, then he needs to send the message in this format: B positive, just send the B positive. So I received the B positive, B negative, O positive, O negative. So B positive person can receive the blood from these 4 groups. Like this we can send the message. All are capital letter with the sign of positive or negative. So let us see the demonstration. Just get the power supply and wait for the initializing on the LCD. Okay, this is not important to execute the project. Just I connected this to show you how to change the database or how to access the database. So once the Raspberry Pi got initialized, so you will see the welcome message on the LCD and it will ask you for the message. So then we need to send the message to the SIM card. So before switching on the kits, so very important thing is we need to insert the valid SIM card in this GSM modem. Valid SIM card should be has a message balance and other than Geo, because Geo is a volt, it can't get the signal by this one. So you can see this green LED. So after inserting the SIM card, switch on the supply and you can see this green LED blinks 3 seconds of duration, nothing but it got the signal. Okay, so and now I am sending the message of let us see O positive, all are capital letters, O positive. So I send the message. So once the message is received by this GSM modem, so message received and need O positive. So in reply you will get the message of total the O positive things. Right, I got the message of donor names, donor details like O positive and O negative. So this is database, and I can send the one more thing. Right, so let us see AB negative. So right, I have received the AB negative. So now my system will access the database of AB negative whose are enough or whose are okay to give the blood. So from is A positive, A negative, O negative, AB negative and B negative can give the blood to the AB negative person. So like this, the AB negative person got the details of the respective donors. Okay. So now coming to the accessing the database. So after connecting the HDMI screen, so on the screen you will see this desktop and go to file manager. So here you can see the AB and nothing but AB negative, AB positive, AB A positive, B negative, like this. The notepad is the main project code. So these are the 8 files. So you can open that. So you can change here, Satish, again you can add the number of names and phone numbers in this format. Okay, so like this. So previously we got a message of O positive, right? So see that. So O positive. So I send the O positive message. So these are the details. So let us see the O positive. So what we got that. So I send the O positive. I get the O positive details. So these are the numbers. So you can see the numbers. Like this, you can change that.